Hey guys, happy to be with you again. Today we'll be doing a quick hairstyle tutorial. So today I'll be doing three bandana hairstyle. Oh no, three headscarf hairstyle, and I'll be styling it with my wig that I have here. I'll be looking at the mirror to adjust myself during the video. First of all, I have to put my wig cap on, as you can see. Sorry guys, my microphone died. Here as you can see, I'm just putting the wig cap on, and then I'm lightly brushing it with my foundation color. Here I'm brushing the hair just to make sure it looks nice, perfecting the line. Doing my edges. Okay, here I'm presenting to you this product, which is by African Pride. It's the Olive Miracle Anti-Breakage Formula. The 7-in-1 Leave-In Moisture Restore, Girl Refresher. So what I like using this product for is to revive the curl pattern of whatever hair I'm applying it on. And now we're going to move on to the first hairstyle, which I'll be doing it with this hair scarf that I have here. So what I do first is I fold it into two, as you can see, and then I'll fold it into two once more. Now I'm just accessorizing the hairstyle with some earrings. And then I wanted to try something else. So I have this one side like earring that I just put on my ear just to try something new. Okay, now we're going to the next hairstyle. I'll be using this hair scarf. I'll fold it into a triangle, and then I'll just tie a knot in the back, and then I'll tie it back in the front, as you will see. here we're moving to the next hairstyle. Just accessorizing. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, give it a thumbs up and comment in the comment section below which was your favorite hairstyle, so that we can start having fun together, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you guys, I love you so much. Bye.